What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button. Today, we got something that's kind of new, but it's old at the same time. So it came out before, but it's updated, and it's even better than what it looked like before. So there's been a little bit of differences made to this clipper. Overall, still a 10 out of 10 clipper. Great behind the chair, powerful, long lasting, all that. But we're going to go ahead and dive into this box, let you guys see what it's looking like. Give you guys the content of what's in it, all that, give you the price point, blah, 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 blah. You know how these unboxings go. We're going to use it behind the chair. And then also I will show you guys how it differs from the OG version of this XO clipper. So there it is. We're doing the XO clipper if you didn't know by the thumbnails.
Made a promise to my mama that I gotta be better than I was.
So I'm going to go ahead and get into this XO clipper box and show you guys the differences between this one and the one that came out previously before it. So like I said, there's been some little updates to it to make it a little bit better in my opinion, and maybe you guys will think the same as well. But yeah, let's get into it. We got the box here, Tpob Pro XO, 240 minutes of runtime, all metal body, XO graphene blade, 7200 RPM brushless motor. You got the clipper there with the charging dock. It's got a gray splatter with the black box. Tpob Pro on the bottom, Tpob Pro on the top, a little cartoon artwork on the side. Like I say, in every video that you see with the unboxings, this is the type of packaging that you're going to get with the Pissed Off Barber. You got some funny stuff in there. So you got, you know, the cartoon artwork, cutting a kid here. You got, I don't even know what's going on up here. You got somebody with a Pinocchio nose or a wood nose. Someone's blowing steam because he's angry behind the chair. You got the dude with the McDonald's cup. You got Tpob himself. But yeah, so there's that. And back here, Tpob Pro XO. Constant torque digital brushless motor, runs at 7200 RPM and will not stall or slow down when hitting bulk. All metal body with an ergonomic and balanced weight, offering an extremely quiet performance. Fast USB-C charging cable, charges to 80% in 40 minutes. Regular charge in 2 hours. 5 LED lights to show the battery level. 3200 mAh battery gives a 4-hour runtime. XO graphene fusion blade with deep tooth cutting blade. Graphene coating keeps blade cool. To the touch, making blade run cooler for longer. Comes with 8 premium guards and a charging stand. There is the XO blade. So this right here, this part, 5 LED lights to show the battery level. That's one of the big differences with this clipper right off the jump. So if you guys are looking to purchase this clipper, it is on Amazon.com. I'll leave a link in the description box below. You can find it, or you can go to Tpob USA or thepissedoffbarber.com and use code JBlends to save yourself not 15, not 10, not 5. You can save yourself 20% off purchases at tpobusa.com and thepissedoffbarber.com. So go ahead and get into this box here. Of course, you got your user manual, your user manual. Now I already did open the clipper. I'm gonna be honest, but there it is right there. You got your 5-click lever system, of course. You got your charging area right here at the bottom, charging cord, USB-C. You got the XO branding, Tpob branding. It's got like a shadow font there on the back as well. Tpob XO blade. And then it does open up a good bit, as you can see there. Let me see if we can focus on that. Let's focus on the clipper. There it is. So you can see that it opens up pretty good. Very smooth click lever system. I'll let you guys hear it before we get all that. Before I let y'all hear it, let's dive into this box here. Got the green splatter box with the accessories and whatnot in there. And of course, you got a screwdriver. There's your screwdriver. You got your USB to charging adapter. There's that right there. That goes right there. Or you can plug that into your charging base right on the back there. So then you got your guards. You have your half guard through your 4 guard, if I'm not mistaken. No, half guard through 6 guard. And then you have a cleaning brush, and then also a extra cam follower. If the clipper starts to get loud, you can replace that part right there, and it'll make it quieter. So I'm gonna throw all that back in the box here, and then I'll let you guys see what it looks like sitting inside the charging dock real quick. So there's your charging dock. You set that bad boy right there. Sits in nice and smooth. So it does have those little rubber grips to keep it from moving and whatnot. And then other than that, let's let you guys hear the actual clipper. Give you guys a sound test here. Drum roll, please. All right, y'all, before we get into the demo portion of this video, I will show you guys the differences between this one and the OG XO that came out, and then we'll get into the actual demonstration of how this cuts behind the chair. So stay tuned. All right, so we have the updated XO clipper, and there's some cosmetic differences, but internally it's all the same. So with this XO, you're gonna have a different body shape. So as you can see here, the body shape has been updated. This has an LED indicator light that shows you what the power is at. It'll slowly drop down until there's no power left. And then with this one, it's kind of like that OG body style, as you can see there. So lever is still the same. And like I said, it's just a minor cosmetic differences, still USB-C charging and power cord charging. And the other thing is just the boxes that it comes with are also different. This has a flip top, this has a slide top basically. But other than that, same exact sound of the clipper, same power, same all that. So can't get mad at little cosmetic updates. I really do like the LED indicator light. That's a little cool difference that it came with. So we're gonna go ahead and get these worked with in the shop and cut some hair with it. So let's get it. Yeah. All right, y'all, we're on my favorite portion of these videos, and that's going to be the demonstration portion. So right now we're just creating a bald line using the clipper close, so I can show you guys how that is doing. And we're going to go ahead and bald out underneath that with our clipper closed. And you can see here it's just eating through that hair, nice and easy. It's like butter. And I gotta say, these clippers compared to the old XO, the cam follower that's on there now makes that clipper very, very quiet, and I have no complaints as far as the sound is concerned. How close the clipper gets, the blade stays cool. And like I said about how quiet it is, I'd go off on a limb and say that it is almost as quiet as the play clipper. Now I know that's saying a lot, because the play clipper is by far the quietest clipper that I've ever used, but I don't know, it's just something about the new cam follower that is on it. It just, you know, really dampens the noise, or whatever they did to dampen the sound. I applaud them for that, because it's very quiet. So now we're doing our fade work. We're gonna go ahead and get out that zero line and start. I started with a lever open, and then we're gonna go ahead and fade that up, and then we're gonna go up to a 2-guard on the top. So this isn't gonna be so much as a tutorial, but just an overview, a synopsis of the overall what I got from the clipper overall. So that's what we're doing here. So you can see here, once we get this blend done, you can see how butter it is. Just like the other XO, the older model, the ergonomics on this clipper, I really dig. You know, I have no complaints about it. One of the things I like about the XO and the X Deluxe is the metal housing. I really like how heavy the clipper is compared to, you know, other clippers that are more all plastic housing. It has some weight. I don't want to say heavy, because it's not extremely heavy. It's not an Andis Master, but this, or a Wall Senior cord. This is a nice metal body that has a good weight to it, but is not too light to make you feel like it's not a premium tool. So if you guys catch what I'm saying. So overall, like I said, the blend is just blending. You know, we got a butter blend here. You can find this tool at thepissedoffbarber.com, I believe tpobusa.com, amazon.com, but check it out. I'll leave links to all 3 websites below. For Amazon, you can purchase from the website there. If you go to thepissedoffbarber or tpobusa.com, you can use my promo code JBlends to save yourself 20% off your total purchase. So when it comes to debulking, I did go through the top of the 2-guard, and I had no issues debulking through that hair. I had no problems blending. Overall, you know, just a great tool. The XO blade that's on there, that's one of my favorite blades to use. So that right there, you can see right here, debulking down to the 2-guard. I know it's hard to tell, not much. We can see all the hair coming off, but it eats through the hair. It feeds well. It doesn't snag, doesn't pull, doesn't get loud. The blade doesn't get hot. So overall, just a great tool for me. I do have the OG XO, as you've seen earlier in the video. Still doing work, still putting out butter blends. but this is just an updated version. I think that's going to take over the older versions on all the websites, all the platforms. So this is just something to look forward to. I'm not sure how many of y'all have copped the older XO, but this is just a newer rendition of that. But that'll do it for this video. There's the blend for y'all. Y'all can see that. I appreciate everybody for tuning into this this unboxing review of the newer version of the XO clipper. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications. I got more videos to come. Till next time, God bless.